Great Day, Washington. This Week in Wellness is back in the house, and they've got some great options for you and your family to consider if you're managing type 2 diabetes.
Our next guests have enhanced an approach that can improve your quality of life. Here now are Dr. Tom Chaney, DC, and Dr. Steph Chaney, DC, of Living Health Integrative Medicine. Thank you so much for being here.
Yes, indeed.
So you say it's possible to reverse type 2 diabetes?
You can absolutely reverse type 2 diabetes with the right approach. So in our office, we've helped thousands of patients that have come into us, and we use a functional medicine approach that's actually backed up by our clinical results, and also the research out there supports this model. So in our seminar, we get into this research. We talk about specific case studies and how patients have actually reversed this disease.
Functional versus conventional. Just talk about that so people can really understand.
Yeah, I like to give an analogy in our seminar. It's imagine your check engine light in your car went off. You could get rid of that problem by covering it up with black electrical tape, or you could bring your car into a good mechanic, run some extra tests, hook the car up to some diagnostic equipment, and figure out what caused the check engine light to go off in the first place, and then fix all those problems so that everything's running smoothly.
Yeah.
And that's our functional approach. We're looking for underlying causes. We want the body functioning holistically, and we do whatever it takes naturally to get that happening.
You know, that is a lot of people's big issue with the medical industry that says, hey, you really are not trying to fix me. And so I really like that.
It's a Band-Aid instead of a cure.
Right,
Yeah.
managing versus reversing.
Yeah.
Now, the people that you come in contact with, do they think, I mean, a lot of people with type 2 diabetes, do they think it's curable or it's taken care of, or do they just think, okay, I'm going to have this for the rest of my life?
Well,
what's the approach out there? What are people thinking?
I think a lot of people go into their doctor and then they're told, you know, you have diabetes and this is the way it's going to be for the rest of your life. It's almost like a death sentence. So, so when they hear this option is out there, a lot of them are surprised.
Well, and speaking of people and information, you have a seminar coming up. Tell the folks a little bit about that, because that's where you learn.
Yeah, we do a seminar for anybody that is potentially looking to become a patient in this program, or for just general information to the public. We actually used to do this seminar on an individual basis when people came into the office, but we just don't have time in our schedule to see people and spend that much time going over all the information that we have to give. So we started doing seminars several years ago, and we'll go over the research, patient testimonials, our approach, and how we get the results we get, all the different factors that are involved in reversing type 2 diabetes. It's not just, you know, don't eat sugar. Basically.
Yeah, which is
I mean,
the
that's
education I got.
important,
Right.
but
Yeah, that makes sense. Are there different types of type 2 diabetes, or is it just one?
Well, there's different types of diabetes. There's
Right.
type 1 diabetes, which is a problem with the pancreas. A lot of people think that they've been diagnosed with type 2 diabetes and they have a pancreas problem, but when we test them in our office, we find that their pancreas is producing insulin just fine. It's just that their sugars are high for a myriad of different reasons. Could be gland dysfunction, supplement deficiencies, nutrient deficiencies, food allergies, infections. We had a patient recently came in, and we discovered that he had a thyroid condition that was causing part of his diabetes problem, and he never even knew he had this issue.
A lot of guys never even think about that they have a thyroid. So you know, that's crazy. I mean, really, you think about women, you think about that.
Yeah.
So tell people where they can find you guys.
Yeah, so you can go to our website at diabetesreversalseminar.com. You can also call the office, 888-514-4771, and we deliver a lot of information at this seminar. You know, so
To get to that seminar,
We have one coming up this Saturday.
Oh, this Saturday?
Absolutely.
Good. Yeah, if you have type 2 diabetes, know your body, understand your body, and you can teach them this, can't you?
Absolutely.
Well, great. Thanks for coming on and sharing that with us.
Yes.
All right.